So the Oh No Angry Birds wasn't a success video. I'm in the channel. Look at my videos. There's 11 views 23 hours ago. I'm on my trailer. So guys, here's the 7-Eleven. It's the bargain. If you give me 10 subscribers, 10 subscribers, if you give me that, I will show my face. Facebook at 10 subscribers. Not like not like the Larry's and oh my god, we have real gaming for it. So that's the deal. I hope we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, wish we could go subscribers. Here's PewDiePie. I wanna have his subscribers. Yeah, 50 million. But I'm gonna have a better camera, high definition, not like this. It's like low quality. This is my phone. This is my phone. Look at that. I think at like 100,000 subscribers, I will make my own play button. A wooden thing. Okay. So yeah. Let's just go. I am Filipino, and if you know this channel, and it's Monas TV, the L Gamer. You have 101 subscribers. I want to be like, but he's my classmate. He's my classmate in the past, like grade 3, stuff like that. He loves singing. Me too. I love singing. Okay, so yeah. They have 37 videos. I couldn't make that video. Oh, I'm here, the couch thing, and since I'm a kid, I'm studying. I'm Filipino. I live in Laguna, like this freaking kid. Here's my book. Science. I'm gonna go to school like 1 hour left to study, cause we have quiz. I don't like quiz, but I love quiz because you can earn grades from it. So that's all we can talk about. You can know about me. 10 subscribers, face reveal. At the book. Whoa!